In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called Additional Settings. Over here you will find one-handed mode. Click on it, and to activate it, use this switcher. When it turns blue, follow all of those instructions to enter one-handed mode. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!